Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1128 El Dorado Drive here in Rockledge, Florida. And this is a sneak preview. You're not getting the whole video here. You've got to request some information if you would like some more info on this home. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, almost 1,100 square foot. Big shout out to Timothy Curry with LPT Realty for allowing us to do a quick little preview. And spoiler alert, there is a full video of this home, but you just have to ask either myself, Margaret Klein, or Timothy Curry, and we will get that full-length video over to you so you can see the entire walk through this home. Or better yet, if you want to see this home in person, just reach out to either one of us. Timothy is the listing agent on this one, so he's super easy to find. My name again, Margaret Klein. Phone number 321-480-7662. Sneak preview again, 1128 El Dorado Drive here in Rockledge, Florida, and listed at only $240,000. So definitely one you want to get in here and take a look at. Thanks. Have a great day. Signing off here in Rockledge.